Hello, my friends. This is Qing Hong here. As summer comes, the farm work is lightening up, finally, and I have more time to paint watercolor and share my journey with you. These days, I'm noticing that what I really love most about watercolor is this glorious color fusion. It's just so beautiful and mesmerizing by its own. But when I was painting watercolor, I seemed to be more concerned with the forms of my subject rather than truly play with watercolor and enjoy that gorgeous color fusion. So I wanted to make a change in my painting and see if that's possible. I want to see if I can integrate more of the color play into my painting. And I started first with this little pear. It's so pretty. And I tried to just paint first with my feelings of the colors, and then define the form of a pear. I really like how it turns out. So next, I want to try to paint roses this way. I'm using this beautiful rose photo provided to me kindly by my dear friend Cindus. She is an awesome artist and she grows this rose herself. And I love it so much. As I am painting the rose, I start to notice that my old ways of painting the rose is so ingrained in me, and I just can't seem to flow with colors. I do try to include more colors and have more fusion, but I keep going back to try to define the form, to add all that needed darkness and definition. So which was really how I used to paint the rose. And that is actually working. It's beautiful, but this time I do want to try something different. I don't want to paint the rose always the same way, and I want to explore. So here is my first attempt of the rose, and I want to give it another try. And I tell myself it's okay to mess up, to goof around. I'm just learning, and let go, if I can, the pressure to have a successful painting. It's really more important and more joyful for me to just paint how I really love. So here I come again, basically with the same colors, the yellows, the orange, the pink, and all these darker colors, but I do added more water. There is a flow only when there's water. So, well, soon enough, I'm having this big blob of watercolor. It's really probably not looking at a rose right now, but I just reminded myself, don't worry about that. Just play at this point, and we can do something later. So I keep holding a safe place, a safe space for myself to just goof around and to try and have more fun. So as if this blob is not messy enough, I decided to add some water. And honestly, I can feel a rose is coming out, and with all this beautiful just natural marks created by this interaction between water and pigments. It seems to be really resembling this natural gradation, natural pattern of the rose in that such a natural way. I keep saying natural, I guess, but that's how I feel, and I'm loving it. I'm loving that with this playful, fun, and loving way of painting, there's something so much more alive to it. So at this point, I feel like I have enough of the play, and I want to see if I can bring back some of the form, some of the definition of the rose. So unlike my earlier painting, I want to keep most of these beautiful watermarks naturally there, and only define the most necessary points, like the center of the rose, and subtly bring out some patterns of the petal. And I will just let it be like that. I feel like this rose itself is complete, but this painting is not complete yet. There's still more to tell. There's more of a story to tell, but it's not about adding foliage. I don't feel that. I feel there's something else. I will just let it be like this, and I'm truly happy that I have experimented, and I love what's happening and what I'm learning. So this learning will continue. This painting will continue, and that's what I want to share with you today. And I hope you also have fun and play and truly honor what you love most in art and in life for sure. See you next time. Happy painting.